This is an S4 GSM Security System. This system can monitor, control the security system of your house through these motion sensors and these door sensors, and then this system can take up to 95 wireless devices. Yes, this is the remote control. You can use this remote control to arm and disarm the security unit. And then this system can control fire alarm systems, can control smoke detector systems, or wireless. Yes, as many as possible. Wireless cameras, you can still link them up. This GSM system takes the mobile SIM card. That SIM card is used to communicate with the owner in case there is a security breach. For example, somebody is trying to enter your property, maybe you install this in your shop or maybe in your house. Somebody tried to break in. Immediately as the person passes through any of these devices, either the motion sensor or the door sensor, maybe the person is breaking through the door or through the window, this sensor is going to alarm, send a signal to the unit. This unit calls the owner's phone. So that's just the basic how this thing works. It's very effective, very good. In fact, it can protect your house, monitor your house 24/7, no failure. Alright, now I'm going to run the system, let's test it and then see how these motion sensors and these door sensors and the remote control works. Okay, the system is on now. The system is on. This is the remote control. Let me arm it. System is armed. Let me disarm it. Disarm. Alright, actually this arm and disarm means when you arm the system, it means that you have set the system on to start protecting the house. When the system is disarmed, none of the sensors will work. Yeah, when the system is disarmed, none of the sensors will work. But when the system is armed, the sensors now start working. That's how the system is. Alright, now let's arm the system and then see how the door and the window sensors works. Let me arm it. Disarm. Right now, if I separate this, see? Now if this alarm, the alarm comes on, I have to disarm it. Disarm it. You see. So now somebody have break in. This system has triggered. It sends signals here, and this device, the GSM device. If you look here, you see my network. This is my network here. This is my network here. This SIM card now has to call me. From there now, I'll be able to disarm it using my phone. Yes, I'll be able to disarm it using my phone. That's how it works. So let me arm it back again and disarm the other sensor. Then attach this one. So this system, I've already programmed it. That's why I see it's working. All these other sensors, they work the same. Immediately as you position this man, and then you come across, because it's a motion sensor. Yeah, it's a motion sensor. So immediately as you position it, and then somebody just pass across, it detects the motions, it triggers. So that's how it works.